Okay, so these are the changes for these guys. So everything that was sent was okay. So we are going to do a couple of things. Okay, this is done. Home, street match listing, okay. Neighborhoods, okay. Listings, I didn't even know what they want here, but let's keep it. Okay, so for this page, what we should do is to have them as team meet top choice realtors and then have them in those tiles as premium option 5. We did that before on our on these platforms. So maybe we can have Puneet, Gagan, and Sam, like 3, like a team section. You can use the option 5, and that way it can go to individual page with their information. I think that's the only change we have to do here. The rest I will explain to them that we cannot do that. So please just make this change there, and we will start from there. Thanks.